Go to weistream.com. Click Login. You can log in with Google account, Facebook or email. Click Add Channel, where you can choose the platform you want to broadcast on. In this case we choose YouTube. We need to get YouTube authorized. Complete the authorization. Click Setting in OBS. Go to Stream. In Server, you need to fill in the RTMP URL. Fill in the stream key too. Copy the RTMP link and stream key to OBS. Click Start Streaming. At this point, we can see the live video of your stream. By this time the live feed was sent to YouTube. You can sync your live stream to Twitch and Facebook in the same way. Weistream, the easiest way to multi-stream.